Hi everybody, it's Matt, Investor Trade, looking at Wall Street, US 30. We have just caught a big move, 340 pip move, and I just want to show you a really basic technique. Look for entry. I mean, there's various techniques that you could just trade this high probability trade. We've got from the peak here yesterday, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. Then you expect a 1, 2, 3 up. Okay, Elliott wave. I want to put the 100 point at the top. Okay, done upside down now. Put the 0 at the bottom of the move. We want to put the 100 at the top. Okay, so this is a Fibonacci retracement. So I'm retracing the move. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can label it if I want to, and then an ABC is what we were looking at. Okay, so the first thing is to measure a retrace of this move, which we've got. Okay, and it went. You want to label it to the 90 level, move that over there just to make it nice and clear. So it came all the way up to the 90 region. Okay, now when you double up and then you put the extension, Fibonacci extension in. Okay, so first fib is to measure the move back up, and the second one is an extension of the first move here. So you go bang bang, bring it there. Okay, so then you know that anything, as soon as this gets above this 1618 level, you start having concerns then, because you think actually that's becoming overextended. Normally it comes up to that level and fairly stalls. You know, some people get trapped here because they think it's a 1618, it's going to drop people short here like that, and then it rips their face off, takes stop loss, and then it drops. So what I want to do is I want to look at the two extensions. I can then create a box, so I can start here at the 1618 and I go all the way up because it can go to the 90 region. Okay, so then I say, right, well, and I can, it doesn't matter about the timing at this point. I can say, well, look, when it gets to these levels, there's probably a good chance it's going to reject it, or at least profit taken. At this point, we don't know if it's going to come all the way down here to these regions, which are 27,700. Okay, it could definitely, we can mark that as an area. Okay, we could put that down. And now we have two levels as well. We can also put a Fibonacci in there. But this is really important. Just want to show when you get a high probability area and then it moves from, you know, all the way up here, all the way down there, sort of 340 pips. And that is, I'm not looking at anything else. I've got no thoughts about the market, the news, none of that nonsense. Scrap that. We don't care about the news. I just want to know where's a high probability area using these two keynotes. We'll use, like I say, if you want to, you've got to get into Elliott wave, you've got to count the waves. Okay, I'm just going to measure up for you. So I'll go, look, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, 4 bounce, 5. Okay, then I will then get the ABC up for you, which is all in here. There we go. Ready? And then I've got a 3-wave bounce. Okay, so even if this was a new leg higher, oh, didn't pull that. So even if this was a new wave higher, you would still have, you know, that could be a 1 and B would be 2. This could be 3. You still get a 4 and then a 5. But actually, you know, that third bounce up, tying in with these Fibonacci, is massively important. You know, and then we're done. So there's an argument here now. You know, if I want to just play around with this, I could say, right, well, there's what looks to be a trend line there. Not there. It looks to be like a trend line coming down here. So now, you know, good chance of it bouncing back up. Could be, depends whether you zoom in on that. But anyway, we'll see how it plays out. But that's what I wanted to show you. And again, we've had a triangle there. You have got a nice triangle. It's broken out. Always comes back to retest. So at the moment, it's a no trade area. You don't want to trade that because it could just rip up now, or it can come down here and then drop back there. So when you're in the middle, you leave it alone. Sell high, buy low. Avoid the middle. All right. If you like this, then obviously please share, subscribe, like the video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, just to try and help other people that might get caught out or not having any luck with their trading. Okay, cheers.